Hi friends, welcome to Veggie Talks. Today's our video is unboxing of thermometer. This is my new thermometer. Okay, let us unbox it. Okay, I'm unboxing it. Um, wow, nice. This look premium look. Okay, I'm opening it. It's nice. Okay, build quality also very nice. And I'm opening this one. Wow. Okay. Nice. In this have NB, oval, and some codes and ISM mark is also available. Wow, the build quality also very nice. Okay, here the degrees is there, 35 degrees, 36. Likewise, do you know what is minimum temperature of our human body? If you know, comment in the chat box. I know it. Okay. How many members? No, I will also. Okay. See, very nice. Okay. This cost is mm, 108 rupees, but I got it for only 90 rupees. Okay, I will show you. See, 108 rupees. I will got it only for 90 rupees. 90 rupees. Okay, it's very nice. Premium. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Vegetables, like this video, share to your friends. Stay tuned for more updates. Okay, thank you for watching. My unboxing video is also going completed. Okay, bye guys.